So what color is the best color to use in a shadow? Hi, welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. My name is Gail McFarland, and I'd like to talk quickly about the colors you should use to create shadows to make your artwork pop. So the first thing you need to do is find out the local color. So what I mean by that, if you look at this painting here, the local color, the dominant color is a red. So the shadows right here, you should use a blue plus the complementary color. What is the complementary color? The complementary color is the color opposite on a color wheel. So here's the red, the opposite is green. So what you need to do is you take your blue, I usually use indigo, and then you add the complementary colors. So I took green and added it into the blue, the indigo, and created the color for my shadow. The next example I have is this small painting I did for my students. The local color, the dominant color, is yellow. So if you look on the color wheel, the opposite of yellow will be purple. So you add purple into your blues or indigo, depending on what you like, and that will create that contrast to make your artwork pop. Remember to have your shadows darken on one end and the values lighten on the other end. Use the shadows all over the subject, the same colors that you create for the when you look at the local color. That will make your artwork pop. So I hope this little tidbit helps you a little bit. So until next Tuesday, you have a great day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.